Colours, you can find colours mostly at Strandfontein.
But like, it will be mostly Xhosas, not like the other tribes like Zulu. So what you
It's
get.
mostly Xhosas, not
You
colours.
see.
But I'm saying it's a lifestyle though. They don't have the front teeth. They took it out. They want to eat fish nice. So
No, they.
like we're always walking around with a belly outside, eating meat every day in pub and saying bath. You see, it's culture. It's culture. Adam was told, Adam, don't eat in that tree. You can eat here. Do you feel me? But Satan couldn't go straight to Adam.
Why did he use? Who did he use?
He knew who did he use.
Who did he use? Who did he use? He used my He used what? The female to perceive men. Suddenly, men can control the world. Men alone can control the world. They can provide like everything that. Not everything, but they can provide like powerful men.
Let me not go there. Let me go to his weakness.
Let me go to Eve.
Sister Eve.
Sister Eve.
You feel me? Sister Eve. You was like, Sister Eve. You see if you can meet that. Yeah. You feel me? And then, Sister
that's why you have to stay
must learn to say no.
Yeah, you must learn to say no.
Yeah.
As a man, you have that.
I don't care. I don't care how beautiful she is, whether she's a president, not here.
Yeah.
I will say no.
But then
You feel
there's
me?
this thing that I wanna touch, whereby they say like a man should be the provider. So then I feel like most gens had that mentality whereby they have to provide for women, they have to go out, hustle, So it came to a point whereby some people said, let's get the bread, women will come after. I will provide for her and I'll give her 1, 2, 3, everything she wants. If she wants money for nails, I'll give her. If she wants money for what, I'll give her. Then there's this thing whereby a woman should submit to a man. So then if she was the daughter now, so then she would say, you have to bow down to her now.
Yeah.
That's what you have to do basically. You have to so then most to tolerate smooth or then we are not educated on how to treat a woman, on how to do this, on how to do this. So when I'm at TikTok, oh, we should buy flowers. Oh, we should give a girlfriend allowance. Oh, we should do this, what. So then, I think.
Do you believe in girlfriend allowance?
Nah.
Do you think it's a good thing, my second?
No, because for me sometimes like.
No, be honest, man.
Not honest, like what do you mean like a guy will be buying?
Yeah. I'm saying, like, let's say, house essentials are sorted, everything is sharp. Then you give a allowance. What will the allowance be for?
No, listen, chief.
Let's say you do.
I'm not saying it's not allowance to umfazi. Umnike imali yendlu.
Yeah, okay, Ganja.
I'm gonna
Giving her like.
You're giving her money for the household. This is
You're supposed to learn at least cook for yourself.
My man can also cook for me.
No. Independence starts there. You must cook for yourself. You can't tell me, I'm independent, you can't cook.
Hey, I'm an independent man, I can't cook.
No. Hey yo, what up, beautiful people? It's that time once again. Another segment, another episode. It's the Vibescape Origin Podcast. I go by the name Bayete. I'm not alone. I have my guests here. I'd like for them to introduce themselves.
Hi guys, I'm Tatum.
But before
Yeah.
you missed one thing. One thing, my brother. One thing.
No topic is off
Topic.
topic.
No,
So then,
topic is off topic.
let's start afresh. No topic is off
Topic.
So then we're not alone. We have another brothers here. We have Scott and Nati. So they will be voicing their
Behind the
opinions.
scenes.
Yeah,
behind
Yeah.
working behind the scenes, guys.
yeah, they will be voicing their opinions throughout the episode. Then,
Yeah.
but then from now,
Hey, my lady, Tatum.
we have to.
Hi, Dad. Yeah.
So yeah. So then yeah, here on topic, guys. How are you, my brother?
I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm very good. Massacre. Damn, man. That is
Also
liquid,
good.
man.
Nice liquid,
Yeah,
nice
you know.
liquid.
I'm buy a donkey, man. Yeah. Yeah. I guess
So
so.
you have to accommodate, my brother.
Yeah,
you have to
man.
make sure you have to accommodate.
Yeah, so see, you say, we have to accommodate, man.
Yeah, can you
We have a massive in the building.
Yeah, massive change in the building.
Yeah, I'm gonna change my accent also. Yeah, school Barit, man. Remember, no topic is what?
Off topic.
Yeah,
No
it's
topic.
crazy.
No topic. So
It's crazy.
Yeah. It's
So
crazy.
I wanted to know, ne,
Mm.
according to you guys, right? What are the red and green flags in a relationship for you guys?
Red and green flags.
Yeah, let's start with you.
Red flag
And the green
and
one.
the green flags.
Yeah.
I think my brother being too kind to other guys, it's a red flag. Being too kind to other guys, for me, it's a red flag. There are many red flags I can think of now, but then I think another red flag is when she doesn't communicate, when she's not emotionally available for you. But the biggest red flag, she doesn't bow down to God. That's my biggest red flag. I know by that you can't consider yourself as my girlfriend whereby you're not bowing down to God. You have to be spiritually aligned. You get me, my brother.
Yeah.
So every time you have to, she has to pray for the relationship to succeed. Like both of us have to pray for the relationship to succeed in order for it to go to another stage or another level. So then I think if she doesn't bow down to God, if she doesn't pray, if she doesn't, like, it's useless. I don't feel like it is what I will consider myself getting into. You understand me, my friend?
Yeah, I get you.
I think that's why it's a red flag for me.
So maybe I don't know. In what way would you say? Cause remember, ne, you might come across people who are still maybe who are not familiar with
One is spiritually awake.
and also remember, we need to be specific, ne, when we say God. Which one are you referring to? Because there are many gods out there. You feel me? You might find maybe she does pray, but she doesn't pray to the same God that you pray to.
Allah.
Like Allah. You see? You see? Or the underground gang. Feel me?
But okay, sharp.
So
I
be
respect-
specific, like about
My
what
man,
God you're talking
my man. I wanna
Or
touch on the under-
Krishna. You never know.
I wanna touch on the topic of the underground gang. So then the underground gang, I don't necessarily believe in the underground gang, but my family does. But me personally, I feel like some of the things we weren't told. By the time you ask about something, why do we do this? Why do you slaughter cows? Why do you have to eat, like men have to eat certain parts, female don't do such things, female don't do. Every time you try to question that thing, like they telling you that you can't ask certain questions because you are, I think in their ways you are disrespecting the ancestors, yes. So then there's this thing whereby you have to, okay, sharp, I believe it, whereby you have to visit the grave now and again, whereby like we have to like visit the grave, the
Yeah.
graveside now and again, whereby we have to,
You guys.
yeah. Don't you guys do that? Don't you guys do that and go clean or that?
Like, no, not my family doesn't do it because like once.
So
I don't
after
wanna
the
be-
funeral, you don't go to the graveside?
Nah, like Or just like think about you in whatsoever.
You don't
Going
guys
to the
don't really
graveside, it will be
celebrate.
like opening up old wounds, like, you see. Because you'll go so there and like talk to
You have to go
like,
there
the person isn't
and
there.
clean. Maybe clean the tombstone.
Okay, once in a while.
Yeah, maybe once a year when it's his or her
Well,
birthday.
yeah, like that we go, but not often like.
Yeah, but uyacaba then ukuvisitha ukuthi abantu bavisitha amathuna ngithi.
Yeah. So, bosachaza. So, Utwana, you don't believe, ne?
Whereby we're not supposed to access in coaching. Then by the time like so vakashima tuneni, it's
Okay.
by the time so vakashima tuneni, like bakutshela bathini talk to this person, khuluma naye umcela into ozifunayo. Okay, sharp, let's say mina Tab, I arrive there and ask maybe let's say please give me $1 million, please make me rich. This person is alive, bekanyeka kunikeze 100 rand lo muntu lemekaphila. Nan uzomcela $1 million sekapile. I don't think that's when, but then I feel like I'm not like, I don't have enough knowledge to go to like explain and criticize. But for now, like I'm covered down, like knowledge like enough like make a decision what to cash up. This is what I believe in, this is what I don't believe in. But then through God, I can read the Bible and find out everything with your cash up. If I have a question, I can read the Bible with your cash up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is how God operates. This is how you should behave. This is what. But when the answers are, there's no formal way to align with them. So then having someone, it is a big of red flags. Having someone who believes in and son.
It's
So,
same witchcraft. Okay, so for me, I'll say a red flag is like when a guy is insecure. Because you see, like, what do you mean? Like, it won't be possible for you to tell me I shouldn't talk to other guys because, like, there's a lot of guys, like, outside. Obviously, like, when someone greets me, I need to be able to greet back. Like, even if you want me or you without me, I will greet. And then also, like he said also, he needs to believe in God. He needs to be a firm believer in God. Like Jesus, not Allah or whatsoever. And then also, like, another red flag for me is like when it goes to tell his own boys about like maybe me and you are dating for instance and then we have an argument and then you go to tell your boys like we were doing this and we were doing that. Like why are you going to them? Like we can sort things out, like communicate, because communication is important though.
But then I think if he talks to other boys, it can be bad or good things or only bad things.
But let's say bad things in those
Bad things.
instances, yeah.
So he should portray a good trajectory to his boys that she's
like
teaching
that's
you
my
good
girl
enough.
and everything.
Then when bad things happen, he can say that to his boys.
Like what do you mean you go tell them? Like for instance, with a fight. What do you mean you go tell your boys like with a fight she's doesn't she's dead and then you'll be breaking out in me in front of your friends. And tomorrow you see us together again and they'll be thinking like, nah, that's Bryce doesn't, that's Bryce did. Like you see what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I think it depends, Masakent, because sometimes as gents we need to vent. Ne?
To other people, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
to the same gender, because we can't vent to an opposite one, because you might not understand, you might not be in my shoes, because you see, this is size.
This is like what I think. You know?
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, for me as well, I think a red flag for me is someone who flirts a lot, man.
Who's too nice to other gents, ne?
Yeah, like
But
there is nice, ne? And there
this
is
is
flirting,
nice,
bruh.
yeah,
You can
it's
see this is
definitely-
flirting. You can't be
What's flirting?
like flirting, dog. It's
Touching other boys or
It's-
whatsoever, like.
yeah, like
See,
giving
if, like,
that look.
especially
ne?
boys who is girlfriends.
Yeah.
Like if you
You
know like
understand?
that guy is a girlfriend, you need to.
You
take-
can't, dog. If a Han is into you, dog. By the way she looks at you. I am fool. You understand? So if she's like that, hey, it becomes a problem, chief.
Because
What-
when uzalikuhamba na amachita azibheka ngelinhle sekabheka amanye amachita
Do you understand? Not to say maybe there's a problem if like she's a nice person. There's nothing wrong with that. Yabo.
Okay.
Sometimes it's just that not if you are too insecure in a way, you might assume that we are flat.
It was someone.
Do you understand? But she's just friendly, naturally. Do you understand? She's like that. You
Like
understand?
me.
Yeah.
You just play in natural.
Yours is too much.
How?
Yes, bro.
Give me context. How?
Tell him.
Yours is too much.
Now you choose people.
Like she's too friendly, and it's mostly with Amachans.
You have too many guy friends.
Yes.
Red flag.
Red flag.
I don't even
Red
so.
flag.
So
Red flag.
No, it's a red
Nah,
flag.
it's a red flag.
obviously when I have someone, I obviously like.
No, listen, it's fine. It's a red flag, that one. Don't worry. Don't explain it. Ne?
It's a red flag.
It's a red flag. that
And
one.
if it means it's a red flag for us, doesn't mean it's a red flag for you. So it should be
Yeah.
a red flag.
But you must understand that this is proper.
But you know, like he said now, like,
This is
for some
cool.
instances, there you guys like to. There's always inequality. For instance, like you will be saying like I can't have a lot of guy friends, and then you will be the ones with girlfriends. So like, how does that balance?
No, it doesn't. It is. It's a red flag. From your
Things must
perspective,
balance.
it is a red flag also.
Okay, can I ask
For
a
you
question?
also.
What's the red flag people often overlook at the beginning of the relationship?
Hygiene. Trust me.
Is it?
It's
Okay,
important.
ask
It's
Anjan.
important.
Maybe whereby you date someone who smells like bad. At first you tolerate it, then at the later stage, then something is wrong.
It's
It's important,
It's important.
there are levels to this thing. Ne? There are levels, Masakin.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes, to some people, ne, it might be because maybe they are not exposed to proper stuff. Like they are not exposed to good stuff, man. Quality stuff.
How?
There are some people, ne, I don't wanna.
Mention.
Yeah, there are some people, ne, yo dog, I'm under arms or corner for you.
But
It's normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Well,
wait,
clear.
you should be able to handle it when you're like in a license support someone.
No, I'm just saying, Bella, to some people it's culture.
Culture.
It's culture. How?
You can't
How?
be saying it's culture, this girl,
Smelling,
like-
it's culture.
That's why.
Listen to me. To some people, it's culture. It's part of their culture.
How?
Because remember, culture is not only what you get born into, right? Sometimes you create it or you,
Like societal.
you grow around it. You feel me? It's culture. Like
By smelling a certain way, feels normal to them.
like I don't know. In Cape Town, eh? I don't know if it's
In Cape Town.
Wait,
In Cape Town.
Is he?
Wait. I'm moving,
Let him cook.
There are a lot of Masikins there, ne? They don't have these front teeth. You see this one?
They remove them.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle, man. I have an uncle also, doesn't it? You see, I asked
So
him.
why are you using Cape Town specifically? You're using Java.
But my uncle is in Cape Town, so that is why I'm using Cape Town. So
You're
that
using
people,
colours. You're using colours.
did I say colours, Masikin?
People in Cape Town are mostly colours, my friend.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I didn't
Yeah.
know that.
How don't you know? Like,
No.
is it KwaZulu-Natal?
I'm saving you, my brother.
No. I disagree.
I'm saving you, my brother.
It's only us colours and then Kosas.
It's only, but you can't say there are a lot of.
It's only us colours and then the Kosas. For
Kosas.
instance, I can't say that they
Too much.
No.
All those townships there, full of Kosas, Masikin.
Doesn't mean also KwaZulu-Natal is full of Zulus.
Yeah. Cape Town is full of what?
Colours and Kosas.
Full of colours.
Yeah.
No.
That's where you'll find the most colours in Western Cape.
Most.
Yeah.
I said Cape Town. I didn't say
But
Western Cape.
Cape Town,
Western
bruh.
Cape.
There's also a lot of them.
I said, listen, man. Maybe Stellenbosch is full of colours. Ne? But I said Cape Town specifically. Cape Town is full of Kosas, man.
No, not a lot of them.
What do you mean? You're
Yeah.
from Bali, not from Cape Town.
Yeah, but I've been to Cape Town like literally.
Literally. I was born and bred in Cape
Where?
Town. Kukuletu. Well, let me say Kailisha and Kukuletu. Kailisha, there are a lot of townships. Lot of them. There's only one plaque that has colours. It's Mitchell's Plain.
It's not only Mitchell's Plain.
Wait, Masikant. Wait, man. Relax. It's Mitchell's Plain around Kailisha. There's no other plague there that has colors around Khayelitsha. Do you get it? Kukuletu, you can say Montana. Yeah, there are some colors there. And then you go to town, it's mixed. So colors, you can find colors mostly at Strandfontein.
But like, it will be mostly Xhosas, not like the other tribes like Zulu, so what you
It's
get.
mostly Xhosas, not
You
colors.
see.
But I'm saying it's a lifestyle though. They don't have the front teeth to get out. They want to eat fish nice. So
Why do you get perception like we got people love fish? You don't love fish.
get down, they always fish.
No. You ever noticed misconceptions? You have a lot of misconceptions. Like listen, if I say you're being racist by telling us we like fish, I don't tell you guys like pap.
And cowhead.
Nah.
And cow eat,
We
yeah.
do like cowhead though.
Giving the girls cow
Even
eat
if
in
you
the
can
front
say, yeah, you like cowhead, you'll be like,
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
no, like
If you say, we like it, doing this, you're gonna say, yes, we do it. There's nothing wrong, we do it.
no, like
But you see people from Cape Town, they don't have a problem with how they live though. That's number one. So, obviously, someone else maybe who has another perception, they might assume, you're speaking bad about that. No, it's their lifestyle, Joe. You can't change them. You see,
But
it's
it's not
like
everyone.
Hmm?
It's not everyone. It lives
Yeah.
Cape Town with.
exactly. But I know a lot of people who
You know, a lot of people.
from Cape Town who don't. You know why? They removed it. It's not like they were fighting and all that. They removed it.
For the fish.
Yeah.
So you're actually culture boy.
What?
You're cooking.
Oh, culture, yeah. What you gonna get?
You said a person's meeting.
Oh, yeah.
It's part of culture.
Yeah, it's culture, man. You get born into that environment. Like, let's say, maybe KwaZulu Natal, ne? Mhlawumbe ngithile eNquthu, ne?
What is
It's a place.
It's a place.
In KwaZulu-Natal.
Ne? We normally don't wear, or we don't cover our upper body as males maybe. You always
And
walking
also
half
Makai.
naked, yeah. You always walking half naked.
In Makai,
With
they
one calf.
won't lose.
Hmm?
They won't lose.
I don't know that.
Like we're always walking around with a belly outside, ne? Eating meat every day in pub and saying bath. You see, it's culture.
It's culture.
Even if I can have children, ne? They get born in that
And then they
environment.
also
born and up, this are cool.
Half naked.
What they call, yeah, they don't like to wear t-shirt. Yeah, but it's hot. It's like it's hot, man. They're walking around with their stomach out. You feel me? It's culture.
Everyone, my brother.
Hmm?
Everyone.
No,
Most.
listen to me. If you get born in that environment,
Yeah, most
you
like
see
it
that
too.
as, yeah, I understand. So actually it's a norm here. This is how it is here. So now you be like, hey.
I also do
Yeah,
this.
it depends on the kind of person you are. If whether you adopt to it or you resist that trend.
What?
That
You
trend.
resist.
Because it's a trend. And then let's say from there, maybe we document it. The whole of South Africa sees it. It can influence a lot of people, especially Zulu speaking people. But oh, this is how it should be. Ne? Yeah, remove your, like that guy, man. Lo, who made that guicho thinking. Yimnyama bafana bami munyama. Yimnyama.
You know it?
Yimnyama bafana bami.
Nice.
Yeah. You don't know that?
Gimnyama.
Kazena mnyama. Yebafana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we know it.
Yeah, like the same thing I'm talking about. Bienze,
So Becky now we
yeah.
also look like that.
They were all like that in that space.
I'm asking
It's part of.
if you're also walking back at home with other t-shirt.
You from Nut?
No, I'm not from Bantu.
Nah.
Yeah,
So
I
my-
come.
You must adapt to
My
the-
question is-
I come from You know, I come from, what is this?
Newcastle,
No, it's
Durban, Teguin.
no,
No, he's from Cape Town.
it's next to Texas.
Mlaz.
Next to
Next to-
Texas. I
What's
come from,
next to Texas?
I come from South America, dog. What are you on about, bro?
What's next to
Come,
Texas?
dog. You can't speak like that, homie.
What's next to
Nah,
Texas?
man, you
What's
can't
next to
next door, man, you know.
It's KZN.
I'm from America, dog. No, like
That's
for
what-
real. I'm from
He's
America.
from Kailicha.
From what?
Kailicha.
Nah, I mean, I used to go there, you know. Yeah, I'm from America. Arizona, you know
Alright.
Arizona. America.
Yeah, I know.
My brother. No, yeah.
Yeah, yo, I'm from many
What's up,
places. man.
sup?
What?
Nuts.
Yeah, I'm from that side, man. It's just that it's too rough there, you know. I was like, you know what? I want to be Zulu, man. Came this side. I saw that doing it down. I was like, yo, this is sick. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. And then, yeah. I bought myself a leopard printed
T-shirt.
t-shirt. I was like, yeah, now
I'm Zulu.
I'm almost there. I'm almost Zulu. Now I need to get that headband, umqhele. That thing with umqhele.
That they were traditional
Headband, you don't know?
I've never seen it.
It's a Zulu thing.
She
Yeah.
probably knows it.
And also, mvunulo. You know what is a mvunulo?
No.
Man, is that a Zulu attire or regalia that they usually wear if there's a ceremony or something, or if there's a wedding? Yeah.
I think I've seen
That thing, man, it's called, there's Ipeshu.
the one the woman wear like.
Nah.
they-
No, it's not.
Gents wear.
There's
It's
this thing
gents.
also it's like it's a skirt something and they dance in it.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't
That's
know.
it if I
But I'm speaking about
him.
imvunulo, like imvunulo ephelele. It's a beshu.
A main way.
Yeah, you don't,
Like,
they don't wear.
Mama, by Spanish side, they're using cow skin, eh?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
I
using
see, I
cow
see,
skin.
I see, I
Yes,
see.
yes.
Yes, and then they don't wear anything underneath.
Okay, back to the question, my brother. ne?
Yeah.
So, is the environment is it the one like how can I put it? The environment forces them to wear like to walk half naked or what? Or is it the
It's
culture
the
something?
It's
Catch.
culture.
Oh,
Like,
Do you know where,
Let
where
me-
it comes
let me-
from?
let
Do you
me-
know where it comes from?
what culture?
That thing of not wearing cow skins. Do you know the origin of it?
Where it comes from?
Yeah.
Like, why they wear.
Yes.
What are you referring to, Chief? Are you referring to the imvunulo or the half naked?
half naked, yeah.
Oh,
I'm
that
referring to
one.
that, yeah.
That one.
Is it the environment that forces them or what?
Yeah, sometimes when it's too hot in an environment that you're living in, you are bound, dog, to find ways, dog, to stay cool and all that. Right? It's too hot. You can't be wearing a lot of clothes. It's hot, dog. You feel me? So they end up removing their.
Clothes.
You understand? And then they relax, like so. It becomes a normal thing. But obviously during winter time, it's different.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, you feel me? Yeah.
But then it kind of amazes me, like the Sotho people always wear blankets. Even if it's hot, even if it's cold.
You know why?
They always wear blankets.
You know why?
Mm.
They are used to it. It's
It must be the
It goes back
environment
to-
also. Where they're coming from, it's cold.
yeah. It goes back
The
to.
Sotho is cold.
No,
I'm assuming.
yeah, it's very cold.
The Sotho.
Lesotho is very cold. It goes back to that thing of it becomes a norm now. Ne? Even if it's hot, but because of, like, for instance, umqhele, ne? They wear it mostly at KZN, ne? During maybe ceremonies and all that. But you'll find people who are still wearing umqhele, whether there's ceremony or not, they're still wearing it. It's culture. It's normal
Even
now.
for trade.
Do you understand? Yeah, it's like that. And so then it goes back to according to traditions, ne? Or cultural traditions, whatever. Each culture or each tribe has their own way of doing things that could be different from how you do things. Like maybe Tina, Abomkwana, Aboskase, Abomwelase, Abohlase, njengesilo samanzi.
Mm.
Umlambo ongawela ngezibuko.
Mm.
Ola ngesikhenelo zomhlaba.
Mm.
Angizomthini. Ngoba izembe
Mm.
Jalo,
Direct translation.
Data is confused.
Is it display names or what is
Yeah.
That names.
we're doing things differently.
Mm.
Maybe let's say there's a child that gets born into the family, right?
Mm.
There's a way of maybe introducing the child to the family, or a way of knowing if whether the child
Literally, I remember you mentioned it.
Do you understand? And then maybe you'd find Abomkhize,
Mm.
they have their own way as well.
Mm.
Do you understand? It's culture. It's called culture. Do you understand? This is how the culture you create it. As much as you can be born in it, you can also create it.
But I feel like I want to let's say people from the rural areas, like they mostly embedded in culture. Like they have culture, like they're raised up in such a way whereby culture, like it's in their blood, whereby they practice it almost every day. But she's in Pepo, they do all of kind of stuff. They slaughter the goats every, maybe a cow
That's culture.
in every event.
Yeah, that's culture.
Then the minute like they relocate from rural areas, they go maybe, let's say for example, to Joburg. That's when like they lose, most of them lose their roots, their values, whereby sometimes they don't even do it. Let's say they used to slaughter a cow maybe once a year.
Yeah.
But then because they're in Joburg, they're used to the Joburg lifestyle whereby culture is not practiced enough.
Yeah.
Then they lose their roots whereby
Yeah, you see, going back to that thing, you mentioned Guti, very a mommy who doesn't pray is a problem, especially if maybe you're a Christian, because now you'll end up maybe, if let's say you'll end up getting maybe married to her or anything, she can convince you otherwise, ne? And you'll end up maybe moving from your faith and practicing. Do you understand? That's what happened to Solomon. God warned Solomon to never marry foreign women, because foreign women, they had their own gods. Now this was the wisest man ever.
And our God is a jealous God.
You see, this wisest man ever to ever leave this earth ended up what? Worshipping foreign gods. Because of what? Of foreign what? Women. You see? So now,
but then I feel like in most cases, like it's building them whereby women are more manipulative than men. Women can manipulate you in such a way you can do things whereby you haven't done
But
in
the
your
thing is,
life.
you make your own decisions.
no, let me tell you something.
Let me tell you.
That's true, dog.
My man, men control the world, women control men. If the women can control the men, so then it's gonna be fucked up. Whereby I'm the one, you're giving me an opinion, and let's say you manipulate me into thinking maybe let's say for example you wanna go to KFC or McDonald's. Then I came up with a decision that we're going to McDonald's. Then you come and say to me that, nah, let's go to I said what, KFC? I said I want to go where? McDonald's. Then you come and convince me whereby, nah, KFC is nice meat, or they do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So then I later then think about it, do say, nah, she's right. Then that's when I change my mind, do say, I have to go to McDonald's. I don't have to go to McDonald's, I have to go to KFC.
Yeah.
So then that's why this saying whereby I can worship this God. Then a woman comes into my life. Then she convinced me otherwise, goes, nah, this God is not, come this side. We are doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you mention only good things about that God, then you'll forsake your yes. Then you have to now change yourself. Then
you know what they do now? Women, they are very special, dog. In many ways. Number one, they can bring logic.
Nah, I don't think.
Wait. Cook. They can. I'm still having my spices today. It's like so. They bring logic. Logic, but not facts. Do you understand? They can show you something in a way that you feel like, yeah.
Logic doesn't go hand in hand with
No, like
Okay.
for instance, logic. Let me show you what logic looks like. You believe in God. I ask you, where is God? I'm asking you, you can't see him. That's logic. What you're believing in says is a myth, is a lie. I'm bringing logic now. Do you understand what I'm saying here? This is logic. But effect is, whether you like it or not, if there's something that you can see, it means there's a starting point of it. It means it came into existence. Like if I can show you a building done, 10 years later, I say, you cover that building there. It just didn't appear there. It was built there. Ne? So if we come to that conclusion, it was built, there are people who built it. Do you understand? Now we'll have to go back and see who actually built that building. Hence, we look at everything here. Ne? Different people, different races. You can't say there's no God, Chief. Do you feel me? There are animals, different animals. You can't tell me there's no God. Where do they come from? Where do we come from? Ne? There are trees, big trees. Come on, bro. You can't tell me there's no God. Ne? But now, someone will bring logic here and be like, where is God?
Scientific.
You want to see God, like.
Where is God? Hi, God can't be seen. My brother, you're believing in a God that you don't see. You see, it's logic. Ne? It's logic. That's what I'm saying. They bring logic to you. But it doesn't mean it's facts. Adam was told, Adam, don't eat in that tree. You can eat here. Do you feel me? But Satan couldn't go straight to Adam.
What did he use? Who did he use?
He knew what did he use.
Who did he use? He used my He used what? The females to perceive men. Men can control the world. Men alone can control the world. They can provide like everything that, not everything, but they can provide like the way, like they can pave the way for the world and how to be put and so on. So I feel like if Satan went to Adam, we'll be talking a different story.
He knew what that guy. Adam had he was keeping the commandment. You must listen to God's voice only. There was nothing Satan could do to Adam, Chief. There was nothing. That is why he was
powerful man.
let me not go there. Let me go to his weakness.
Let me go to Eve.
Sister Eve. You feel me?
Sister
He was like, Sister Eve, you see if you can read that. Yeah.
You
have everything. You feel me? And then Sister Eve ate there. Ne? But now, because brother Adam,
deceived.
very, very, that guy, man. Yeah, and then he was like, man, check, man. You see, if you can do this, we'll live forever, me and you.
Give a beautiful life, prosperous life.
Have children.
children.
Have children, you see, expand. We'll live like gods. Yeah, you're right, huh? Yeah, eat there.
Think about it, man.
And then he was like, guy, for real. I don't think Adam went there. I don't think he went to that tree. I think Sister Eve.
Yeah.
I think so.
But let me bring you
Makes
food,
sense,
you know.
yeah.
Now kubuza kwako, kufunga semi paye.
Yeah.
Kubuza kwako.
Yeah, and he was like, nah, eat. Or maybe, you know what I think? I think Sister Eve was not truthful when he came with that thingy. He didn't tell brother Adam where he got that fruit from. Because maybe they looked alike. That fruit and that one, they looked alike. He was like,
You
feel me? He was like, man, eat here, man. I brought it for you from my heart. It comes from my heart, this one. And he was like, oh, thanks, love. He was like, oh, thanks, love. And then things changed, you know. You feel me? And then God was like, Adam. And then he was
Man,
hiding.
I told you, my guy. Don't do that. I told you, don't do
He was
that.
like,
Don't
no,
do that.
no, God, it's not me, sister. You feel me? So it happens, bro. It happens. And so it's important.
You see, this should give you a question whereby the point I made, whereby I said women are manipulating. This should give you a point.
But not all of us are like
it
sisters.
depends.
Most.
It depends if you are weak.
Sisters.
If you are weak emotionally or spiritually, you'll be in trouble.
That's why you have to stand
You must
your
learn
ground
to
as a
say
man.
no.
Yeah, you must learn to say no.
Yeah.
As a man, you have that. You must
I
learn
don't
to
care.
say no.
I don't care
Yeah.
how beautiful she is, whether she's a president, not here.
Yeah.
I will say no.
But then
You feel
there's
me?
this thing there I wanna touch, whereby they say like a man should be the provider. Ne? So then I feel like most gens had that mentality whereby they have to provide for women, they have to go out, hustle, So it came to a point whereby some people said, let's get the bread, women will come after. I will provide for her and I'll give her 1, 2, 3, everything she wants. If she wants money for her nails, I'll give her. If she wants money for what, I'll give her. Ne? Then there's this thing whereby a woman should submit to a man who provides. You understand? So now, what I'm saying is, if as a man, you can't stand your ground whereby you're saying, I'm providing for my woman, let's say you're providing, what you stand on is providence. All you are doing is providing for her. Like every time I'm providing, So, what happens if you stop making the money? So then you're not compatible enough. Or what happens if she wins the lotto? Then she makes more money than you. It means I need, you know. So then that's what I'm saying. As a man, you must learn to say no. There are some things you don't have to tolerate. There are some things whereby you have to stand your ground. Now, when I said no, it's no. When I said you don't do this, you don't do this. Whereby if she doesn't obey by your rules, she doesn't bow down to you, whereby you are out, my brother. You can't tolerate some things whereby in the form of saying, I provide. Anything she wants, she provide. The minute you stop receiving that income from that job of yours, that's when there will be a problem. It's gonna be a problem, my guy. Whereby
It makes sense.
it makes sense. So then if she wins the lottery now, so then she would say, you have to bow down to her now.
Yeah.
That's what you have to do, basically. You have to.
I feel like, yeah, valid. As a man, you must be a provider and care.
Yeah.
You must provide for your
You-
woman,
and
not your
children.
girlfriend, not your girlfriend.
Your woman.
Your woman.
Mm-hmm.
Now, your woman
Someone you building your
is
future
a
with.
wife, chief. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
A city, someone you married. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
You provide for them.
Mm-hmm.
A girlfriend and all of that, they have parents, chief. Ne? The parents will provide
Provide
for
for
them.
them.
Ne?
As much as your parents were providing for you.
Yes, their parents will look after them. When your job is to build yourself, man. May also build her in a way, but not in a way with you are married to her anyway. No.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you do that,
You'll feel inside there.
and she will start weighing her options now.
Mm.
Because a lot of guys will approach her, and if you are too fleshy, always giving her money, someone will come and give her
More
a
money.
meter. Ne? And then now you're feeling unnecessary pressure, you see?
Mm.
So it's very important that you provide for your wife, ne? Someone you married, ne? You provide for her. And before you can actually provide for her, you need to test her, my brother.
How?
Hmm?
If you
There
see
are
it
many
with
ways of
poverty or
testing.
you see-
Ne? There are many ways of testing. Maybe you can ask God to test her for you. It's up to you, man. But hey, you see, if God tests her,
It's gonna be nice, man.
Definitely.
It's gonna be nice.
Because you remember what happened to who's this guy? Jacob. Jacob from the Bible. He had everything. Ne? And then Satan was in the location. I was like, hey God. And God was like,
Job.
it's Job, sorry. Yeah, it's
Job.
Job. Yeah, it's Job. And he was like, nah, did you see my servant there? job. I was like, I saw him, man. You see that one? He's faithful now because you gave him everything. You blessed him. Let me take everything, and then we'll see if he'll still be faithful. But like, now go try your luck, man. Yeah, he tried his luck. Took everything from Job. Job had nothing. Job's children died. His wife was like, nah, why don't you curse this God and die? And he was like, why should I curse God? Because things are not going good for me. But when everything goes well, I'm like, God is good.
God is good, yeah.
You feel me? That was a test for Job and a test for his wife as well. His wife failed. That's how you test a woman. You feel me? That's how you test her. If whether she will stick around,
in your downfall.
Sickness and health, because that sickness and health and poverty. Are you there with me? If she can be there for you, that's one she.
The kids will be of green flags and red flag. That's a green flag.
You feel me? Yeah, if she's there, uhlupheka kumnandi. But even if, because let's say, hey, you can't, I guess literal, you can't make it literal this one, where like, when we are really broke, I'm trying to test it. What you can do, you can do whatever you build whatever you want to build, accumulate assets, make money, chief, make trusts, put your money there, and then act like you are broke in a way. She doesn't need to know what you have too much telling. She doesn't have to know. When I just act broke, chief, just to see her character, she will eventually reveal herself. If she's for real, you will see, my brother. You'll be like,
it's really rare to find guys doing like that today.
What?
It's really rare to find guys doing like that today.
Guys what?
Who do like that? Who does that today?
It's because they are not well educated, these ones. They cry a lot.
No one educates us.
You know what happens after? They end up, these people, man, they end up killing themselves now and killing their hands, you see. It's because
you're not educated.
They're not educated enough about this thing.
But
they don't have experience.
Let's be real, we're not educated enough. Whereby the rate of single parents, female single parents, it's high, it's very high. So they move to then we are not educated on how to treat a woman, on how to do this, on how to do this. So when I'm talking to we should buy flowers. Oh, we should give it girlfriend allowance. Oh, we should do this, what. So then, I think.
Do you believe in girlfriend allowance?
Nah.
Do you think it's a good thing, Masakent?
No, because for me sometimes like.
No, be honest, man.
Not honest, like what do you mean like a guy will be buying?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
This one. Girlfriend allowance.
What do you mean like?
Let's say he offers you.
You don't want me to give you 5,000 every month.
No, because if you, how can I say? If
I'm saying you might guilty.
If you give it, okay, but I won't ask though. I won't ask you to pay for my hair stuff and nails and whatsoever. I'm not that type of girl. I believe like I need to pay for that stuff and everything. Like when I'm married though, like.
Yeah, it starts like that, ne?
It starts there.
Yeah.
CV.
Do you understand?
I'm speaking it too.
There's this thing, man. I don't know what they call it. I don't know if it's the right term. Reverse psychology or something.
Nah, right.
Well, like, I ask you something, ne? And then you take time or you delay to actually give it to me, ne? And I'm like, dog, you know what? I've had off again. Then you're like, you feel me? So.
And the women like to do that stuff. When she asks you for something, then I tell never mind that.
Never mind. And then, so you're still starting off. Don't worry, my second. You will reach that level. It's levels, ne?
No, I don't know.
You are still here, level 1. Level 8, you'll be like, send me 10,000. No, it happens.
I believe like I need to be an independent woman. Like for instance, if you leave me, you give me 10,000 every week, ne? Next week we break up. I'll be expecting the 10,000 in. You see?
When you break up,
No, like I mean, like for instance, then we break up and then next week I was like dependent on you for the 10,000 every week, and now it won't be this. That's why I'm saying like I
You
want to be
won't,
independent.
but you won't tolerate breakup. Like you won't initiate a breakup. You will want to know you dependent
Yeah.
on the 10,000. Even
No.
if he cheats,
Like
you still be
maybe
there.
it's like just a mutual thing or something like, you know, it doesn't have to be anyone's fault or whatsoever. But like I'm just saying,
It's good for them, ne? For them.
Female.
No, like for them who want to ne? It's good for them. But for me no. Ne? Girlfriend allowance ayikho leyo nto futhi. Ne?
It's cock.
Intombi awuyiniki imali. You don't give a woman money, chief. Like nje uthi
like don't just give it to her like that. Like take her out or whatsoever or buy stuff for her, but don't give her all the money just like that.
let me cook my second.
Cook.
Ne? You give your wife money. Ne? I can't be buying you weaves, man, front house. With my money. Ne? And then you go, you look nice for brother Zebra there. Then you can show me now, you gave me money now, I did my hair for Zebra there.
But that's insecurity, somehow.
No, listen, chief, let me cook. We are people here.
Somehow.
We are people, ne? We are people. Le, yomtang, unless maybe there's nothing wrong to spoil your hand and care. But Leoguti, there's a monthly debit order.
No, it's like your friend.
No.
Me talk at your puma, clean, clean.
No.
In and out.
No. We don't do that. It's three to less. It's three to Senegal, that's on a second.
But you can't also like be stingy. You must be able to give to your girlfriend.
You're not listening. I said it's good to spoil your hand, my second. But debit order, no. Ne?
Okay, not every man.
Not every
What?
month.
Not every month. When, my second? You see, I said you are still here. It's level 1. You see now what you are saying? You're saying not every month, but you must give allowance. That's what you're saying. You see,
I did.
we are still here. There are levels to this thing.
fine.
You feel me? So I feel like the only woman you can give money to is the woman you call your wife, dog. Because it's someone you're building with, and she considers your feelings as well.
But then, also ends man. Because in Salami too, you bought food, you
Dog,
bought
there's a lot of
everything, you
things.
bought everything.
There's a lot of things she can do. There's a lot of things that she can do, dog. Umuntu wesifazane mfethu uyakwazi ukuthi abone ukuthi ineshodayo la endlini ongakayiboni.
What does it
Into ngisho ukuthi it's okay to let's say izinto zasendlini
What did he
like
just say, please? It's like
he said like house essentials are covered. He said like
Yeah.
a wife can spot when
Yeah.
like some things are like are not available. Like bread is not available. We don't have this, we don't have this, we don't have this.
Yeah,
So then I'm saying like let's say house essentials are sorted, everything is sharp. Then you give a allowance. What will the allowance be for?
No, listen, chief.
Let's say you do.
I'm not saying it's not allowance to umfazi. Umnika imali yendlu.
Yeah, okay, Ganja.
What did you say in English?
I'm gonna
You're giving her like.
You're giving her money for the household. You're giving her money for the household. Like she will cover essentials in the house. Okay.
And you expect her to also be treated from that money.
Treated in what sense?
Like, you also need to give her some, she's your wife, is it though?
Yeah.
You can't just give like only one amount. That's for the house, that's for the kids and whatsoever. Then you also need to give her another portion for her to spoil herself.
Into ngisho mina sengikhulumela imali ukuthi azispoil, uzospoila for him. Aphume out nabangani bakhe.
Because you see, she needs clothes, she needs whatsoever. She also
You
needs
see,
stuff.
that's what
That
you
is
give
covered
your
for.
wife. It's everything is
It's covered
there.
for.
You give her your card. Take my card, honey. You call her, honey. Take this. Go spoil yourself. Have fun. I love you, babe. See you when you come back. You don't do that to a girlfriend. A girlfriend.
Yeah, obviously not. Because what I
wait,
mean, there's no good mathematics in everything.
A girlfriend might come to your place, ne? She sees Uguti, you don't have essentials, you don't have pap to cook.
Mm.
She'd be like, nah, man, you must go buy takeaways. You buy takeaways, you buy takeaways, you buy takeaways. Car, you're broke.
And they
You don't have
don't
out there. You'll be drinking water the whole month.
and then you show it's count.
You see?
I can find out some to share every day. Like,
Exactly.
on my weekend.
Bruh.
On my weekend, that time, I don't know, cook, I'm lazy.
You see now.
Order in. More order in. And I say, I'm going to the Papa Nama.
Who and the who doesn't love to cook, man, is a red flag, man.
You that
She must
me now.
every time when she comes
You
to your
can't
place,
cook. You don't
she
like
must like
I can't cook.
when every
Ah.
time listen, she can't.
Sras.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, she can only fry eggs and cook pap. man.
I can't do pap.
Pap, man.
So what are you eating?
I the thing is
Noodles.
Yeah, tell him.
there's like these other two girls and like they cook in everything and we work together.
So what are you contributing?
I
when
was
they
delicious.
Yeah, it's
So
Yeah,
you ain't learning how to cook or you don't know how to cook or
How long like later on in
no, this is
you're
a
supposed
red
to
flag.
you're supposed to
Yeah.
learn at least cook for
my
yourself.
man can also cook for me.
No. Independence starts
Your
there.
man.
You must
Yeah,
cook
that's
for
it.
yourself.
Yeah, that's
You
it.
can't tell me, I'm independent, you can't cook.
Hey, I'm an independent man, I can cook.
No. You are dependent. You need people to cook for you. You can't say you're independent. You see?
I'll learn like
It's a
that.
red
It's
flag.
not necessary.
But you're supposed to learn the
But
minute you
it's a
wanted
red
to
flag,
the minute you came to a conclusion by I'm an independent woman.
Yes,
You should
you
have
must
been
do
taught
things
to-
I
yourself.
can work it there, but for now I'm independent.
Also, you're not
You're
One.
independent.
I'm
Independent on other
woman.
people.
Let me speak, please. I'm an independent woman who can't cook now, but later on in life I will try to cook and I'll be just an independent woman.
So you're not an independent woman.
I
Indeed.
am. I
What's
just can't
stopping you
cook.
to learn now?
Hmm?
What's stopping you to learn?
I don't even enough. I believe like it takes a lot of time.
She's not serious.
And the thing is,
Let
I
us
also
tell
don't
you.
want to.
You are not serious. No? You are not ready for independence.
Straight.
You're not ready, bro. Dog.
Mama,
You can't say,
independent woman who's dependent
ready.
on cooking. Mama, can hear it.
Amara, cooking is just the basic thing.
Dependent on someone else.
Cooking. Once again, cooking.
It's not easy to cook. You're making easy.
It's not easy. I know.
Mama, it's fine.
Because you need to wait for.
It's not easy.
Mama,
Cooking.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook.
Can you cook?
Mm.
What is it? I believe you can't.
I can cook.
Okay, it's fine, but it's
I
not
can make-
important.
Yeah, for me it's not important, but for
Side, dessert.
Sras.
Yeah.
That's what it's like.
Yeah, well,
He also says, last day he also says someone who cooks for him. He's lying.
Who cooks for me though?
Stop.
For real? Are you sure? I can cook, me.
Only pap.
No, I can
And then
cook.
you.
Yeah, call paper.
Easy.
They put.
Easy.
Call
I
paper.
can cook pap, rice, I can cook meat, I can cook fish.
You say you like fish. Then you say you like
Fish. The carrots are fishing for fish.
You say you. But
Now
you say,
you trying to get at me.
nah, we
Now,
don't
why
like
would
fish.
you talk about fish now, man?
Because you were saying
Because I'm
you can
busy
cook fish.
explaining now, man, now you're talking.
Nah, but like,
You have a problem.
you also
with
like
me?
fish.
I don't like fish, man. I don't like fish, but I like pilchard, man.
It's the same thing, it's fish.
No, but you see that
By
one
choice.
that you like eating is the one that
By
has too
choice.
much boom.
You're referring to snook.
Snook fish.
Oh,
You know
I
snook?
Yeah, I know snook.
It's nice.
I'm on my bad. It was a great time.
Yeah, hey, yeah, gonna
Sikhuluma isingisi
Samile bafowethu.
asisamile manje isikhathi sebuzulu ayasikhinqe naye.
Nice,
So
Samile.
ini ukugida
Yeah, ukuhlaba.
ukusini ukuhlaba.
Yikho konke bro.
Hlabeni manje.
Are you also
Siyahlaba.
Because that's what they Zulus
I'm
don't like to
Sowetan.
speak English.
I'm Sowetan. Ever heard of that language?
What is it?
Sowetan.
Sowetan.
Yes.
You're from Soweto.
Nah, foreign language.
Ah,
You know
I'm
it.
from Soweto.
You're lying.
Ibale that
Ah,
I'll explain to you.
cha bafethu ama-red flag niwazwile. I'm speaking Zulu now. I'm sorry my second. You are closing. It's too late kakhulu. Ne? It's very late. Nizwile ke bafethu ama-red flag nama-green flag kuma-relationship. Asimfaka u-ala smart.
Yes,
Uma relationship unkabe yami ingane imiyenza izinto eziphambene ezibhecele hey suka lapho mzala yayibona ke leyo nto kube khona amalokunja yini lo kuphela ama flag lawa ahlaza
no
green flag
no
yeah kodwa sikhulumele sixoxile kuzwakele bafethu sisamile isilungu hayi siyabonga bafethu
angazi ngifakazani mina yeah sure ngifakaza isiZulu yeah sure
lokho nihlala nje nisilalela njalo yiyo ke lento yi-Vibescape Origin Podcast nibheke lapho yini lento yenu le YouTube lapho uyayizwa lento emasekela yeah bafethu siyabonga bafethu thank you so much
no topic is off topic
no topic is off topic and no topic is off topic no
topic
is
off topic.
Is
Off topic.
no topic. No topic
Is
yeah man
no topic
is
of topic. No topic is of topic. No. Yeah, bafethu no topic is of topic. Siyabonga bafethu. Danko bless. Yeah, nisibheke ku YouTube bafethu sikhona siwakele sikalele